Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's Wear. In this video I have come up with making of sequins and mirror work designing. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने ही नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। This type of patterns you can also create for the borders like designing on the saris, lehengas or for the dupattas. First of all, let's see the markings. I have given the gap of 1.5 inches and like this we have to give the markings. And the materials I am going to use is the golden sequins. And these are readily available golden mirror and it's of small size. And I would be taking the plastic mirrors. To stick these mirrors I would be using the fabric glue. So only these are the materials I would be using. And these are easily available in the fancy or regular tailoring material shops. For each line I'd be joining this 6 to 7 mirror rings like this. Then the sequence will be followed again with the gap of 6 to 8 mirrors. We have to make the sequence working. Here I'd be showing two-way method. Firstly, I'd be using RE needle for the stitching of these sequins, and this you'll get only with the practice of the RE needle. But later I'll show you how to do this with normal stitching needle so that anyone can work easily and make these patterns. These sequins will have a tiny holes in between, so handling is a little difficult. Sometimes it will not insert in the needle also, so I'd be using only one at a time. So giving the chain stitch, I would be stitching this sequence. Pattern would be like sequence followed with the mirrors again with the same gap. The sequence with this pattern you can design as per your requirement. You can also create the borders as you like. I'm done with the sequence stitching, so in between I'll join the mirrors like this. On all the lines the same will be followed. So this is how we'll make the pattern. And now I'll show you using the normal hemming stitching needle. Just insert the needle in between this hole and stitch on two sides like this. And it is so simple and easy. So you can also stitch with the normal stitching needle like this. Once the pattern is done, this is how it looks, mirror followed with the sequence. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's so simple and easy. Try it. You'd love to wear it. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Waiting to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it.